Welcome back to Coin Explorer, your ultimate destination for discovering rare coins, hidden values, and powerful historical stories. And today we are diving into a truly fascinating and historic gold coin known as the 1768 Netherlands Gold Ducat, a coin that represents wealth, power, and centuries of European history. This coin comes from the Netherlands and features a standing armored knight holding a sword and a bundle of arrows, which symbolizes unity and strength. The inscription around the coin adds to its authenticity and historical importance, while the year 1768 places it deep into the 18th century, making it extremely valuable for collectors and historians. In this video, you will learn everything about its design, gold content, rarity, condition, and real market value. So stay till the end because this coin might be more valuable than you expect. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face for more amazing discoveries. The design of this Netherlands Gold Ducat is one of the most iconic in European coin history because it features a detailed standing knight representing protection and national strength. The knight holds a sword in one hand and arrows in the other, which symbolize defense and unity among provinces. The circular inscription around the coin reads traditional Latin text that translates to strength through unity, which was a core principle of the Dutch Republic. The detailing on the armor, clothing, and facial features shows the high level of craftsmanship achieved during that era. The coin has a slightly rough edge and a classic hammered or early milled appearance, which adds to its authenticity and charm. The gold color and shine make it visually striking and highly desirable among collectors. Over time, coins like this may develop natural toning or slight wear, but well-preserved coins still retain sharp details which significantly increase their value. When it comes to material, this coin is made of high-purity gold, typically around 98% gold, which gives it strong intrinsic value based on gold prices alone. Apart from its metal value, the historical significance and rarity of the coin add even more worth. Coins from the 1700s are not easy to find, especially in good condition, which makes them highly sought after by collectors, investors, and museums. The value of this coin can vary widely depending on its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. A well-preserved example can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, while rare variations or exceptional condition coins can reach even higher prices. Collectors often get such coins graded by professional services to determine their exact condition and authenticity, which further impacts their market value. Another important aspect of this coin is its historical background because it represents the economic and political strength of the Dutch Republic during the 18th century. Coins like this were used in trade across Europe and even internationally, making them an important part of global commerce history. Studying such coins helps us understand how trade, currency, and economies evolved over time. The knight design remained consistent for many years, which shows its importance as a national symbol. Collectors love coins that have consistent designs over long periods because they represent stability and tradition. Proper storage and preservation are essential for maintaining the value of such coins because gold coins, although durable, can still be damaged by scratches or improper handling. In conclusion, this 1768 Netherlands Gold Ducat is not just a coin but a powerful piece of history that carries value in both gold and heritage. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced investor, this coin is definitely worth attention. Always check its condition, authenticity, and details before buying or selling because small differences can make a big impact on value. If you enjoyed learning about this rare gold coin, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face because we bring you the most exciting rare coins, hidden treasures, and real value stories from around the world. And who knows, the next valuable coin might already be in your collection. 100 points, hushed face.